How to make matka mutton outside with no electronics or appliances, just a clay pot, some fire starters, and that's it. First, you're going to need to chop up one large onion into some fine pieces. Next, you're going to need to chop up 2 to 3 potatoes into some nice pieces. Then you need to cut up 2 tomatoes into some nice pieces. And now for the spices, you are going to need to chop up a whole clove of garlic, 3 green chili peppers, and some good pieces of ginger. Once you have started the fire going, begin to add some oil in your clay pot and let it heat up for a good while. Once that's heated up, add a good amount of cumin seeds. After that, add the garlic, some ginger, the 3 green chilies, a dried chili pepper, some chili flakes and some full cloves. And after that's cooked for a little while, add some onions. Then add some ginger and garlic paste. After that's cooked for about 5 to 10 minutes, add a good amount of salt and of course the mutton. After that, make sure to add the potatoes you have cut up, and then also add the tomatoes. And of course you're going to need some spices, and the spices you're going to need are 1.5 spoonfuls of jeera powder, 2 to 3 spoonfuls of red chili powder, 1 spoonful of turmeric, 2 spoonfuls of coriander, and that should be it. Also, make sure to like and subscribe for more recipes like this, or you will be my next recipe. Once you have added all the spices, make sure you add a lot of water and cover up the pot and let that cook for about half an hour to an hour, and it should be done.